How do you do that? Oh wait, it is recording now. Okay, Michelle. Wait, do we have to push a button for it to record or what? Or is it already recording? I don't know how to work your mom's. No, sorry, I don't know how to work your mom's camera. Okay. Nice, Michelle. Whoa, I don't want your butt. Hold on. Okay, please look at Shadow while the camera is in motion. Okay.
No!
Oh my, oh, that was your butt.
Step, guys.
You missed the oil. Shadow, my buddy. Okay, watch this, guys. Oil. Okay, watch this, guys. Shadow, sit. Oh, come on.
Sit. Oh, lay down works.
Okay. No, you sit. Okay, Shadow up. Shadow, thank you. Okay, Shadow, sit. Shadow, shake. Good boy.
Shadow, come here. Come here, Shadow. Sit. Yeah. See, he learned like that.
Okay, do another trick. Show the camera people. Your foot just farted on the floor.
Hands. Come on. Happy hands. Yes, my boy.
He's like, okay, we're on camera. You can stop now.
I'm trying.
All right, Shadow, come here. There's my buddy. Oh man,
Why are you recording?
Shadow got the lens all slimy with his nose before when I took a picture. Hold on.
Why are we recording?
Okay. This is so gross.
Why are we recording?
Shadow's eyeballing you.
Why are we recording?
Will you shut up already? Oh my lord.
Recording.
We're only recording it now because I don't know the button to make it stop. Zoom in. Wait, it can zoom, right? Wait, that's the button for it. Coolio.